Hey guys, it's LasithKArt here, back with another painting video, and today we're going to be painting a picture of Carmelo Anthony. Now I have done one of these portraits before, but that was of Kobe Bryant. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give me some new suggestions down in the comments below. Alright, so the equipment which I'll be using today are this size 12 filbert brush, size 10 bright brush, size 4 flat-headed brush, size 0 round brush, and a liner it's called. Now the paints which I'll be using today are Naphthol Scarlet, Cadmium Yellow Medium, Phthalo Blue, Burnt Sienna, and of course Acrylic White, along with Retarder and Gloss Medium mid viscosity. Now I'll also be using a water container and some paper towel handy, and I'll be filming my palette using my mobile phone. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, I've done a light sketch of the image already, and I'll be starting off with a purplish background here and parts of a visible basketball court. Alright, so first of all I'm going to mix a dark purplish colour for the background. Now I'm going to be using a lot of that Phthalo Blue and a bit of that Naphthol Scarlet to give it that real dark colour. Right, so once I mix that together, I'm going to put some water on my brush and paint the corners of this canvas. And I'll work my way towards towards this area, which is the beginning of the basketball court, adding a bit more red and a bit more white. Because you don't want it too dark and you don't want it too light, so it's important to get the balance here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now when you're painting this background, you don't want to focus on too much details in the background, because you want to make the background look really loose and focus your attention more on the center of the image, which will be mellow.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Right, so a few tones lighter to finish things off, using this scrubbing technique, where you scrub layers of paint into each other and roughly blend them together. You don't want to blend them in too much.
Fueled by them to see the horizon.
Right, so we'll continue the rest of this on time-lapse mode.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Alright, so that brings us to the end of this painting video, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Carmelo Anthony. And as always, I hope you guys, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt. I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Please leave some comments and suggestions down in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.